$255 a month. And you disagree with that also?
Yes, because he's been on my insurance this whole time. He as my dependent, yes.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
You're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Mr. Jones
Yes, I do.
and Miss Turner,
Yes.
you may both
Yes, I
lower your hands, and Miss Franklin, you may proceed.
Yes, Judge. And I just wanted to confirm because Mr. Jones was messaging me as well as the court reporter that he needed to leave. That Mr. Jones is not requesting a reset and you're prepared to proceed with the hearing.
Yeah, since we started now, yeah, I want to go ahead and get it over with.
Okay. Judge, we're here on a suit to modify, support, and confirm arrears. It's not agreed to as far as who would cover the health insurance and then the actual child support amount, Judge.
Okay. Call your first witness.
I'll start by calling Mr. Jones. Sir, can you state your full name?
Don Jones.
And Mr. Jones, are you currently employed?
No.
Do you receive any type of unemployment insurance?
I do not.
You receive veteran benefits of $3,800 a month?
Yes.
Do you own any businesses?
No.
So your testimony is the only income you receive is the $3,800 a month?
Yes.
Do you have any other children under the age of 18?
Yes, I do.
How many, aside from the child in this case, how many other children do you have?
5.
And for the child in this case, you currently have health insurance for him?
I have him covered under my dependent benefits for insurance, yes.
Is that through TRICARE?
Through Camp VA.
How long have you had him covered through that?
About a year and a half, probably going on 2 years.
And that's at no cost to you each month, correct?
Correct.
And you are wanting the order today to order you to be the parent to provide the health insurance for him, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And if you're ordered to provide the health insurance, you understand your child support would be $461 a month. Do you understand that?
Correct.
And you're in agreement with that?
Well, no, I would like it to be, I need it to be lowered, not to impose a further hardship hindrance on me, but I remember that's the number we came up with in the pre-trial.
What amount are you requesting the court set your child support to?
$250.
Why are you asking the court to set it to $250?
Because I'm the primary income holder at my household, so I cover my wife's bills and my expenses are noted and documented. I cover all the expenses.
You also understand that the state is requesting a child support judgment as of October
Yes.
31st, 2025, in the amount of $3,871.19.
Yes, I remember. I got them numbers.
Are you in agreement to pay that at $70 a month beginning December 1st, 2025?
Yes.
You also understand the state's requesting a medical judgment as of October 31st, 2025 of $819.45.
Yeah, that medical judgment I'm not in agreement with because he's been covered, and that's what I wanted to address. He's been I listed him as my dependent. He's eligible for medical insurance. He's been covered since most likely the whole time I've had that arrears. So that arrears balance has only been because the He wasn't listed. Well, he was listed on mine. It's just been adding up. That's how come I requested the modification.
Do you understand that the previous court ordered you to pay cash medical support each month? You were ordered to pay $73 a month. Do you understand that? Are you aware of that?
Understand that it was made known to me that I'm supposed to pay the amount, but I also listed him at the same time that I was supposed to be eligible to pay the obligated to pay the amount. I made note that he's on my medical, so I wouldn't have to pay that.
Okay. And the state's requesting that judgment to be paid at $55 a month. And you disagree with that also?
Yes, because he's been on my insurance this whole time. He as my dependent. Yes.
Did Miss Turner, did mom have documentation that you provided to her showing that you had him insured?
Yes, I provided that, but there's a disagreement there between me and mom.
You provided her with the copies of the health insurance cards?
Yes,
Okay. And you are requesting a non-disclosure of your address in today's court order?
definitely.
Okay. And why is that?
Because of safety concerns for my children and my household from my time enlisted in service in war zones where opposing ethnic backgrounds and people can access the internet and get my whereabouts and potentially harm me.
So it's no safety concerns with Miss Turner, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And you don't have any other cases in our office with a party with a safety concern?
Correct.
Okay. It's strictly because of your previous, because of your work as a veteran.
Correct.
And you understand court costs will be billed to you through Dallas County?
I was made aware of that and I wanted to request to get that waived because of my income hardship existing already.
I'll pass the witness, Judge, and
Okay,
call Miss Turner.
you
Um,
may.
thank you, Judge. Ma'am, can you state your full name?
Turner.
And Miss Turner, you well, let's start with the child support judgments. You're in agreement with the child support judgment as of October 31st, 2025, in the amount of $3,871.19.
Yes, the arrears. Yes.
And you're in agreement for Mr. Jones to pay that at $70 a month beginning December 1st, 2025.
Yes.
And you also agree to the medical judgment of $819.45.
Yes.
And for Mr. Jones to pay that at $55 a month beginning December 1st, 2025.
Yes.
And as far as the modification, currently, do you have health insurance for your child?
You do.
Okay. Is it through your employer?
Yes.
Is it medical and dental?
Yes.
And how long have you had him insured through your employer?
He's been insured through my employer for over 2 years.
And were you aware that Mr. Jones had health insurance for him also?
When we started the case initially, he said he was going to add him, but I've asked for a card. He hasn't given me a card, so I was not aware that he had TRICARE coverage. No, ma'am.
Okay.
And even as far as with us starting getting this modification case beforehand, it is on record that I've asked him for a copy of the card. Even as the latest time I asked him was April 4th, and when I got the initial um, notification that we would be going to court again, I said, hey, you're saying that you want a modification to have something reduced, but I don't have a copy of the card. And I've asked him several times, and how many times can I do that without making sure my child is actually insured? So both my children are insured. And I've had to pay for medical bills out of pocket and taking care of him throughout my deductible. So even now that I do not have a card and it's time for re-enrollment, I just enrolled him for 2026 again because I don't have anything to say my child is covered.
And the medical just for the child in this case portion is $100 a month through your employer,
Yes.
and the dental is $27 a month.
Yes.
And so you're wanting the court to order you to provide the medical and dental through your job, and for Mr. Jones to pay $100 a month in cash medical and $27 a month in cash dental.
Yes, just for stability and to make sure that I have what I need to take care of our child, since I am the primary care parent.
And based on the income, the stated income for him, that would put the child support at $414 a month, giving him credit for his 5 other children. Do you agree to that 414?
I would like to say that I agree to the amount, but that's not all the income he's receiving. He does have a business. He does own a business.
What
In
kind
a,
of business does he have?
I believe he has some type of credit repair consulting type business, and he also is a rapper.
How do you know that he has a credit repair business?
Well, actually, I don't have TikTok, but my son has a TikTok, and one of my friends followed my son, and it was something that through social media that I actually found out. And he hasn't been giving me any money outside of the child support that I received in 2024, the last time. And I asked him to send his money to the child support to pay his, to help take care, and I don't ask him for anything additional outside of that, and he still hasn't yet to do it. So I've been compliant with the court order. I've been compliant with just waiting to make sure that, hey, you need to send the money so I can take care of our son. But he would rather me go through him and
So
tell
what
him, okay, sorry.
what amount are you wanting, or what amount are you requesting that the court set his child support to if you don't agree to the 414?
I'm not, I was just saying that the 414, if that's what the standard is, that's fine. I'm just saying that he's not being truthful with his income right now.
Do you have personal knowledge as to how much he makes as a consultant?
No, I don't.
Do you agree with the non-disclosure request that he's asking for, meaning he doesn't want his address and contact information being listed in the court order?
He doesn't know where he stay, because what happens is, this is the reason why the initial order he tried to conceal, because he moved into a new home, that he didn't feel the need that I need to know where my son is, and I need to know where he is. Just like he knows where I live, he's privy to my address. He's always had my address. He's even popped up without being, unannounced. So he knows my address. I've never been to his home, but I would like to know where my son is living. Yes. And
Okay.
if he should move as well, because
Ms. Turner, hold on a second. You understand that he's asking for a non-disclosure due to third parties. That doesn't mean that we
okay.
won't give you he'll have to keep you informed of his address. It's just that it won't be in the order so that third parties will not be able to get his address. He's not saying you can't have his address.
Okay, as long as that's a caveat to the court order, because he has tried to restrict his address and me knowing where he lives.
Okay,
And my son will be in his possession, and I don't know where he is.
okay,
Yes. Well, I'm okay with that if it's just for paperwork
okay,
process.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
okay. Is there anything else anyone else wants to tell me?
No, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I want to go on record saying I do have proof of providing her with additional income, noted and stated child support in between not paying arrears and being inactive. I have noted income proof that I've sent her money stated is child support in between being inactive with up to date with arrears.
Okay. Anything else?
I can respond to that, ma'am. Sports fees. He paid half of the sport fee that I paid. I paid half, and he paid half. And he's named it child support. Yes, he has. And He has a card that he gives my son that he sends him $5 or $10 or $25 for some snacks. But other than that, he's not provided any child support, ma'am.
Okay. Then this is my ruling. I will order dad to carry health insurance through VA Champ. Is that what it's called, sir?
That's what it's called, Champ VA. It's not TRICARE.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
what I need to know is, does it include dental insurance?
That's what I need to get more verification on because Champ VA does not include dental insurance. It just
Okay,
includes
then I'll
health.
order mom to carry dental insurance. And what's the payback on the dental insurance,
It,
Ms.
it's
Franklin?
$27 a month, Judge.
Order daddy to pay cash dental support of $27 a month. Order a child support judgment of $3,871.19. Order that paid at $70 a month. Is that 70 or 73?
70, 70,
Okay.
Judge.
$70 per month. Order a medical support judgment of $819.45. Order that judgment paid at $55 per month. Order child support at $461 per month. And all start dates will be December 1st, 2025. Does anyone have any questions?
Negative.
And Judge, the non-disclosure request is granted.
Oh, and the non-disclosure for a third party is granted. Mr. Jones, that means anytime you move, you must give Miss Turner your address. She has a right to know where her child is when the child is with you, just like you have a right to know where the child is when the child is with her. Do you understand,
Understood.
sir?
Understood.
Okay, so there are three entities that you have to keep informed. You have to tell the Attorney General where you're moving to. You have to tell the court, and you have to tell Miss Turner. Okay?
Understood.
Okay. Any questions?
Yes.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you give him a time frame as to when he needs to provide those cards to me?
The time frame is in the it's in the order. Is that correct, Miss Peoples? Or
Yes, Judge, it has in there.
the time frame is in the order. So, sir, you do need to give her those cards. It doesn't do her any good for you to have insurance if she can't use it.
I will
Hello.
provide them again. I understand. I will
Yeah, if you
provide them
provided them
again.
though, that's what's
Okay, but
crazy.
Okay.
okay, you can provide them to her and to the Attorney General.
Yes, that's
Thank
what I
you.
learned this time, to send it to the court too at the same time. I didn't do that the first time.
The Attorney General and Miss Turner. That's who you send it to. Okay.
Okay.
Any other
Yes.
questions?
I mean,
All right. Now that I've made my ruling, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 256th District Court. That's Judge Sandra Street. She might have a different opinion from mine. Any questions now that I've given you that information?
I mean.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Judge